Okay, here we go. Good morning. Let's go do a quick walk around. Let's not fall either. Got that a little close. Yes, as you can see, we still have power. Haven't lost it, but alright guys, I'm gonna just turn around and do a little walk around. This is my first time out. Did come out about midnight to check on things. Yeah, watch for falling bombs, I guess. Lots of branches. Chickens are talking this morning. Couple geese. Big Santa's down and out. That one had fallen. That branch had fallen yesterday. I had went up to check the mail, walked up to check the mail, and that took out a strand of Christmas lights. The ones I showed you in the video up there, they're still hanging on. Good morning, kitty. Big things. Check the fence line. Lots of little branches. That stayed up. I ain't hearing nobody. Nobody's coming out this morning. Oh. Cows, yeah, they got that big branch that had fallen yesterday too. It's not snowing very hard right now. But yeah, the wind is blowing. I know there's a lot of people that don't have power. So I'm very thankful that we kept power, but there's no guarantee they're going to go out today either. Walk over here, check this area. Being led by the cat. Arnold! Arnold, you in your bed? Are you in your bed, Arnold? Peeking his head out, he's all buried in his hay or straw. Morning, babies. Morning, Titus. Feel better today? They're like, we're not coming out, Dad. We're not coming out today. Well, Blue just flew down. He stayed in the tree all night long. He didn't go in. Oh. Santa has deflated and the goat has turned off. That means but the flashing light's still on. There is a push button on that one cord, so that's probably what that was. Probably just went down. Problem is all the cords are frozen in the ground. I can't take them out of the ground right now. I hear you. I'll let you out in a minute. I'm just looking. Well, I don't see no major fence damage or anything, so that's a blessing. More sticks kind of in the backyard over there than there's anything else. Like I said, our heat stayed on, or our power stayed on, so yeah, our heat stayed on too. Alright guys, I am going to put some hay out, get these guys fed up, just in case we do have the heaters in the troughs, so but some of these guys' water is frozen. Well, good morning, buddy. Well, good morning. Hi, guys. You don't have to stay out. Dad's gonna get some food. I'll give you some grain this morning, too. Everybody's coming out to say hi. Crazy weather, huh? Crazy weather, Dad. Hi, Dolly. You can go back inside where you're nice and warm. Out of that wind. Alright, guys, I'll be back. Well, 2 hours later, the chores are done. Still got power, so that's good. Had a couple big branches come down while I was out here that scared the backside out of me. But, yeah, we'll go see what other adventures are on. Check on these guys in a few hours, a couple hours probably, and go from there. Be safe. If you're out and about, be safe. Yeah, it's pretty dangerous out there. All right, later, guys. Love you.